flying. What the fuck is that?
But if something pop out the woods,
ain't nothing gonna pop out the woods, cause
upload this to YouTube and just
run
away.
Asses, whoever the pop the fuck up.
Just save the footage, baby. We need to keep the footage to save the footage, run away. And
you sound real crazy right now.
I'm gonna go viral. Just save the footage,
Anybody
baby. Just run away. I got this.
No, I'm not running away. I'm a motherfucking murder their ass.
All right. So we're teaching Bay. Show them where we at, baby. In the middle of the highway.
Yeah, we're in the middle of no fucking where. Here comes the fucking car.
Right.
Coming back from this.
Show the woods where the killer's gonna come from.
This motherfucking wild ass kickback. We just caught a flat. Yeah, baby, it's changing.
This is how you change a flat. So, baby, the first thing I did, I loosened up the nuts while the car wasn't up. So I loosened them up a little bit. And then I used the jack. Jacked it up. And then I loosened the rest.
Looks pretty easy.
Yeah, it's easy as shit. I'm sweating. Fucking, I don't even know what time it is, B.
And it makes it bad because we parked by some nasty shit.
Look, tire not coming off.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Make sure there's no metal sharps on the tire. I think it's still kind of
on the ground.
Yeah. So if your car don't come in one of these jacks, you're fucked, buddy. There we go. Alright, so if that don't work, take your Air Force Ones. Oh, you can see that metal strip. You see it right there? See that metal strip? Zoom in right there. See the metal right there showing? Yeah. And back there too.
Yeah.
So, see, loosen up, kick it up. Loosen it up a little bit. That was probably dangerous.
It's off the ground. Why wouldn't it come off?
Pricked.
It's not coming off.
What do we do?
What the fuck do we do? Put that. Try putting that in one of these holes and pulling it.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the other part.
Hey, this part.
Oh, they can't put this shit in there.
I was thinking like trying to like pop it off like that.
Yay! I'm so fucking smart.
You came up with the idea. I can't do it.
You can do it, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Just take your time and line it up. Just take your time.
Okay.
You have to pick it up and.
There we go. Okay.
You got it, baby.
Fucking crackheads. Wait, am I lining it up right? No, I'm not. All right, so the point is at the bottom. All right, so I gotta line up the bottom. Once I line up the bottom, I'm straight. Ready? is this bottom one. Bet. So put these back in. And I'm not gonna tighten them up until I put it on the ground, and then I'm gonna tighten it all the way up. And when you put them on, you want to go diagonal. So you see this one? The next one we'll put on is this one. Really, I want to make it kind of tight as possible, but not like. That. I'm gonna go across here to the next one. That. Baby, if Freddy Krueger pop out and kill me,
ain't nobody gonna come out and kill nobody. Yes, I'm recording.
Record me. I'm sweating. What's that movie where she had the snot coming down from her nose? When she was in the woods. And then Scary Movie made a thing.
Which Blair Witch Craft?
Yeah.
The Blair Witch Craft some shit.
But if something pop out the woods,
ain't nothing gonna pop out the woods, cause
upload this to YouTube and just run away.
Asses, whoever to pop the fuck up.
Just save the footage, baby. We need to keep the footage to save the footage. Run away. And
you sound real crazy right now.
I'm gonna go viral. Just save the footage, baby. Just run away. I got this.
No, I'm not running away. I'm a motherfucking murder their ass.
Ain't nobody gonna know what happened to us if you don't release the footage.
Fucking woods.
Alright, boom. AKA, get the roadkill next to me. Zoom in with your hands, cause they gotta see that. They gotta see. I'm out here struggling.
Disgusting. Are they tight?
What? No, I told you, just put them on there, kind of loose until it, not loose, but not tight.
Yeah.
Until it's on the ground. Alright, good. Now it's on the ground. And still go diagonal. So I did that one, I'm gonna go to this one. Down, there's probably a gas station. I might have to get some air in this spare. Okay, I did that one. And we're just gonna go through and check them all. Pretty sure I did this one as well. Let's shaky. I'm gonna do that again because I ain't like how that felt. It's good. Next one. That was not done at all. This one. I didn't like that one.
You done?
Yeah, make sure you record the little safety thingies. Where is it? Yeah, no.
Let's get out of here.
I don't roll my hand. Look at the damage.
To that tire, yeah. It's crazy. You need to spread that cover out and put the tire on it.
Yeah.
Need to clean the trunk out.
I'll be selling clothes out of here. How long is this video? 13 minutes? Holy shit.
What the fuck is that?
What?
That!
What?
That is a fucking claw. That is a hand.
That's not no claw, baby.
Yes, it is. That shit has nails and all that.
You're fucking lying.
I'm not lying. What the fuck is that?
Yo! That is. What the fuck?
You gotta get that out your trunk. Pick it up with something. Oh my gosh, baby. What the fuck is that?
No, that got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That got like 7 claws. That can't be no fucking.
No, it's. I see 5 or 4.
No, look, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Skinny nigga, I let them days go. Skrawny nigga, I said let go. Skrawny nigga, I let them